What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be testing vending machine bait. And this is the pole I'm going to be using. If you guys hear any wind, it's because it's windy today. Guys, I am at Sulphur, Oklahoma at the RV park. And guys, I made this shirt at home. Okay guys, I have 2 poles set up. Yeah, I changed locations.
Wow, the bobber came off.
No, stupid one. There's a big catfish out there. He keeps popping up, and we're gonna try to catch him. We've been sitting here fishing for the past hour, guys. There's one over there. Oh, okay, we need to see where he is. You see the little one? Like it just boom.
Yeah.
It should be popping up. There's like 3 of them. Wrong way. Yeah, guys, it's a pretty carp. He's gonna go that way. I'm gonna go over there. We're still using them though. I don't like this pole. For now, guys, I'm probably just gonna be walking around, looking at stuff around here. Guys, we're exploring back here, and I think we found a trap. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Vending machine bait does not work. And make sure to go like and subscribe down below.